Is Atome really worth it? After using Atome for almost a year na, from GrabFood to my groceries to the cash loan and even savings, siguro I can honestly say by now that thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka po sa channel ko, my name is Charm and upload videos about personal finance, a little bit of work from home stuff, and also snippets into my daily life. Also, konting disclosure lang before we continue that I am not a financial expert or advisor, and the content that I share is just for awareness. Okay, so I have made videos about Atome a few times na before. There's one for the buy now pay later card, and there's also another video for the Atome cash loan, and then yung pinaka-recent ko ay with Atome savings. When I was going over the comment section, I saw na you guys actually have a lot of questions regarding kay Atome. So I decided to siguro select yung recurring questions, or let's just say the frequently asked questions from the comment section, and I will try my best to address and answer those questions for today's video. Alright, so I will now answer the top questions about Atome that everyone wants to know. Question number 1. Meron po bang annual fee si Atome? And no, wala pong annual fee si Atome. 0 annual fee po. Number 2. Hello ma'am, may bayad po ba ang Atome card padating na din kasi yung sa akin na problema ako, baka may bayad yung Atome card, sana po mapansin. Alright, don't worry, wala pong bayad yung Atome card. Once na-approve po kayo for the Atome buy now pay later na card, they will send you the card for free. I think you will only be charged for a card fee if, for example, na wala yung card mo and you requested for a replacement. Yun lang po. That's the only time that you will be charged for the card. But again, yung first na card na isasend ni Atome sa'yo ay libre po. No fee at all. Next question. Ma'am, kapag nasa waitlist ng cash loan ka na, may chances ba na ma-approve? Thanks po. Yes, I was on the waitlist bago po ako na-approve sa cash loan. Siguro, I had to wait for like a month. I can't really remember, but it was like more or less a month bago ako na-approve. Also, yung husband ko, I asked him to try and apply for the Atome cash loan as well. And na-waitlist din po siya. He was waitlisted for siguro magto 2 months. Ganon katagal. Yes, ganun siya katagal. Nag-antay bago na-approve for the Atome cash loan. Next question. Saan po pwede bayaran yung Atome credit card pag nagamit na? Well, pwede po siyang bayaran sa Atome app itself. Meron pong link doon. So, eto. I'm just gonna show some screenshots. So, once nag-login na po kayo sa Atome, just go to bills. Tapos may option there to, let's say, go to unbilled or billed. Tapos may pay option. And once you select that, you will be provided with different options kung paano mo siya gustong bayaran. Pwede ka pong magbayad using the Atome Savings. That's a new feature. And then, pwede ka rin mag-select ng bank transfer via InstaPay. Pwede ka rin magbayad through e-wallets like Maya or GCash. And then, they also have other payment methods like over-the-counter payment. Pwede ka pong magbayad sa 7-Eleven, for example. Alright, so you have a lot of options pagdating sa pagbayad kay Atome. Pwede po ba mag-loan ulit kahit may outstanding loan pa? May balance pa naman eh. I think this question is actually referring to the Atome cash loan. Now, unlike kay, let's say for example, C-Bank, yung Atome cash loan ay hindi po siya revolving credit. So kahit na may natira pa, let's say you have a 50,000 Atome cash loan credit, kahit pa 10,000 lang ang niloan mo at meron ka pang balance na 40,000, unfortunately, hindi ka po nakakapag-reloan not unless, or hindi ka po nakaka-add ng another cash loan not unless nabayaran nyo na po yung existing loan nyo po. So, yung next question kasi dito, medyo related. Pwede ba multiple loan sa cash loan kay Atome? So, I think that answers it. No, you cannot do multiple loans. You cannot do multiple cash loan po kay Atome. Again, hindi po si Atome nag-offer ng revolving credit. Ma'am, ilang months na po Atome nyo before kayo may Atome Cash? Siguro mga 4 months. I applied and got approved for my first Atome card November of last year, 2024. And then 4 months later, sa kakagamit ko sa kanya daily, siguro, na-approve ako for cash loan 4 months later. And then yung first na na-approve ko, ma-share ko lang, first approved limit ko was 45,000. Tapos, recently, yung cash loan ko now, ang available na credit ko or available limit ko ay nasa 50,000. And isang beses ko pa lang siya nagamit. May age limit ba? No, wala naman po nakalagay doon sa website nila. But you must be at least 18 years old of legal age bago ka po mag-qualify to apply for an Atome card or Atome cash loan. And then yung pinakahuling question. Hi ma'am, pwede po bang i-convert ang Atome credit limit to GCash or PMaya or Lazada wallet? Ito, I often see this question kung convertible to cash ba si Atome. Well, if you already have Atome Cash credit, then I think that's not a question of convertible to cash or hindi. This question is referring to the Atome card pala, just to be clear. And the answer is, as of now, wala pong direct option to convert your Atome card limit or spending limit into cash directly po, into GCash or Paymaya. But you can use third-party na mga apps like Maya Business. I think meron ding Uno Bank. And if you have the AUB Paymate, yun, mga merchant accounts kasi yun. So you can scan the QR and then transfer your spending limit over to the other account and then transfer the money back to you in a form of GCash or Paymaya. So, yun lang. And parang meron din ako nakita, may mga individuals na nagko-convert ng Atome card limit to cash. Parang nasa blue app yata. So, just be careful if you're gonna transact with those people, ha? But so far, again, wala pong direct option to convert it into cash. Oh, meron pa palang isa. Akala ko last question na yun. Pwede bang sumali ang OFW dyan, ma'am? Hehe. Yes, OFWs can definitely open an Atome account as long as you have a Philippine ID. Or the Philippine mobile number or cell phone number para makatanggap kayo if ever may need na OTP na isa-send sa inyo. So yeah, valid Philippine ID and a valid Philippine mobile number, tapos email. And your location, kung kahit saan ka man nagwo-work, I don't think that's going to disqualify you. As long as you have that Philippine mobile phone number and ID, okay na yun. And then your email address. Is Atome really worth it? After using Atome for almost a year na, from GrabFood to my groceries to the cash loan and even savings, siguro I can honestly say by now that I am really happy with it. Alright, so that's about it. If you're also an Atome user and you have questions pa regarding Atome, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. I'll go over them later and I might feature your questions in the next video. So if you're still here and you like what you see, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Share nyo na rin po ito to those who might actually need it. Thank you for your time and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!